Summer is hot, so we're gonna make some mango milk. But first, we need to peel this bad boy and freeze it. Mango ice cream. Peel it, cut it up. It's very enormous mango.
Today we're going to make what? Today we're going to make?
No, we're gonna freeze the mango.
We're going to freeze the mango.
We're gonna make mango milk with ice cream, with vanilla ice cream.
So can I eat one?
Yes, I'm gonna give you some to eat.
Okay.
But first we're gonna peel the mango, right? We're gonna freeze some in the fridge for a couple of days.
Okay.
Then,
and
then we're gonna... No, you don't need to cover the plate. I'm gonna put the mango inside.
You can put a mango in that one.
Yeah, but I'm gonna use both of them.
Oh.
This is a very big mango, so we're gonna freeze some of the mango. We're gonna eat some. Along with the other fruits we have. We have some melons.
So we're going to do like...
So look,
like what?
look like this.
Okay. Like that is like a what? It's like a... What? It's like a bread.
Make a bread?
Yes.
I'm
Like
gonna
a bread.
make a bread. We're gonna make these incisions like this now.
Yes, but it's like a bread. I think it's like a bread.
It looks like a bread.
Yes.
Okay. It can be like a bread, yes. We cut it like a bread. We slice it, right?
It's like bread.
You like bread?
It's funny, right?
You like bread? What kind of bread do you like?
I like... Last time that mommy... I like the bread that he's not like one like that bread.
Which bread? The one you bought in Costco?
No, I like the one like...
Don't rip it off. Smoothie the drunk.
What you call it?
Whoa. What are you drunk?
Can I eat one?
Wait. After I'm finished, then I'll give it to you to eat, okay? Let's put this one here.
Then give me the one to eat. Give it all to me. Give me the meat, okay? And put it this way.
Think we need another container?
I think yes.
Is it? Are you sure?
Yes.
The mango is very big, right?
Yes.
You like mango?
Yes. I like mango, but I like got teeth.
Maybe eat it too fast. Can you put that to the recycle?
Okay.
Yep. It's not easy now. This is gonna be the sweetest part of the mango.
Huh?
This is the sweetest part of the mango.
Oh.
Seed.
Seed, you can like eat seed.
The mango seed. It's very sweet. You don't know?
No, I said you can like eat.
Yeah, you're not eating it, but you eat the stuff from it.
You can eat the stuff.
So I have the frozen mangoes here now. I'm gonna add some strawberry ice cream inside. Some milk. So first I'm gonna put some mango in. A cup of milk should be good enough to blend it out. Or maybe half cup. I'm gonna add half cup first. Perfect. Yeah. It's just how I want it. On the side. I'm gonna add some of the mango blend to the base. Then I'm gonna add some milk. And add some more mangoes. I'm gonna add some ice cream. Normally use vanilla ice cream, but I already had some strawberry ice cream in the fridge. I'm not gonna waste it. The glass is full, so I'm not gonna. There it is. Mango milk with ice cream. Very tasty. Good for summer. Oh yeah, so good. Mango ice cream milk. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.